The drone market is constantly evolving, offering a wide range of options for different needs and budgets. Here are four of the top contenders in 2024, providing in-depth analysis to help you make an informed decision. Number 1. Lenovo AE7 Drone. Key features: 8K HD triple camera, professional aerial photography, GPS and FPV, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance. The Lenovo AE7 is a powerhouse designed for photography and videography enthusiasts. Its triple camera system, including an 8K main camera, ensures stunning image quality. The drone's GPS and FPV capabilities offer precise control and immersive flight experiences. With features like obstacle avoidance and brushless motors, the A7 prioritizes safety and performance. Should you buy it? If you're a professional photographer or videographer seeking top-tier image quality and advanced features, the Lenovo AE7 is a compelling option. Its professional-grade specifications and build quality justify the premium price tag. However, its size and weight might be a drawback for those seeking a compact and portable drone. Number 2. Potensic Mini Drone. Key features: 3-axis gimbal, 6km GPS, 4K professional camera, brushless motors, travel-friendly design. The Potensic Mini Drone offers a perfect blend of portability and performance. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel, while the 3-axis gimbal and 4K camera deliver impressive video stabilization and image quality. The drone's GPS and brushless motors ensure stable flight and extended battery life. Should you buy it? If you prioritize portability without compromising on image quality, the Potensic Mini Drone is an excellent choice. It's suitable for both beginners and enthusiasts looking for a versatile drone for travel and everyday use. However, its smaller size might limit flight time and wind resistance compared to larger models. Number 3. V168 Max Pro Drone. Key features: 8K professional camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, automatic return. The V168 Max Pro is a feature-rich drone that caters to a wide range of users. Its 8K camera, 5G Wi-Fi for low-latency video transmission, and obstacle avoidance system make it a capable aerial photography and videography tool. The automatic return function adds an extra layer of safety. Should you buy it? If you're looking for a versatile drone with a good balance of features and price, the V168 Max Pro is worth considering. Its impressive camera capabilities and intelligent flight modes make it suitable for both beginners and intermediate users. However, it's essential to compare its performance with similar models in terms of image quality and flight stability. Number 4. Beta FPV Cetus X. Key features: brushless motors, FPV racing camera, analog VTX compact design. The Beta FPV Cetus X is a high-performance drone designed for FPV racing enthusiasts. Its compact size, powerful brushless motors, and FPV camera offer an exhilarating flight experience. The drone's analog video transmission system provides low-latency video feed for precise control. Should you buy it? If you're passionate about FPV racing and seeking a competitive edge, the Beta FPV Cetus X is an excellent choice. Its agile performance and customizable features cater to experienced pilots. However, beginners might find it challenging to control due to its fast speed and small size.